Solubility product constant of Ag₂CrO₄ Step 1. Write the dissolution equation Ag₂CrO₄ S. Write left terms to Ag to the power plus Ag plus CrO₄ to the power 2 Ag. Step 2. Apply the solubility product expression The Ksp includes only aqueous ions raised to the power of their stoichiometric coefficients. Solids are excluded. Step 3. Construct the expression Ksp equals Ag to the power plus to the power 2 CrO₄ to the power 2 Why this is correct? The coefficient of Ag to the power plus is 2, so it's squared. The coefficient of CrO₄ to the power 2 is 1, so it appears to the first power. The solid Ag₂CrO₄ is not included in the expression. Solids have activity equals 1. This is the standard form for any sparingly soluble salt. Multiply ion concentrations raised to their stoichiometric coefficients. The answer is A.